You should have seen all the mud I dug out of the fender area.
I was quite impressed with this bike upon my first few miles. The bike is extremely fast, very nimble, very quick. There are some things that are a little different to me, just like with any motorcycle. Overall, it's a quite impressive bike. My first day on the ride home was pretty good. I did about 300 miles. My first stop was about 150 miles in, and the second stop after 300 miles total. I would love a larger gas tank. I know that's a pretty big wish, but a larger gas tank is nice for the adventure bikes. As soon as I got off-road, I really let the Pan Am get after it. I found some good muddy spots, found a couple of jumps, lots of mud holes, some really difficult to climb hills. Again, the only thing that I was wanting was taller risers and perhaps lower foot pegs. Lower foot pegs would help because I wouldn't be so geeked up on the bike, and also the lower your foot pegs are when you're standing, the lower your center of gravity is. It's really good in slippery situations, uphill, downhill, anything really that you need to lower your center of gravity. You can see that the suspension handles jumping with no problems. Mud is really piling up around the license plate area as well as the top of the fender. I'm a little worried that the mud's going to affect the shock if you allow it to pile up too deep. Also, as you can see, we have a lot of rocks and a lot of debris in our radiator. So again, Dan was spot on with his suggestion for some kind of a guard for the radiator. Dan's idea for the brake reservoir relocation cover kit is a good one. Fortunately, I didn't get into too much brush on this trip. All in all on this trip, especially off-road, I noticed that the Pan America really handles whatever you throw at it. It does need some help in the ergonomics department. Unfortunately, I had to leave the dirt behind and get back on the road. The next 4 or 5 hours were straight rain all the way home. Of course, the Pan Am does not miss a beat in the rain. Make sure you keep following along. The next episode, we get the bike up on the lift and we go over all our wants and needs and desires. And as always, check us out at bareknuckleperformance.com.